So this is
Are
the
you sure
one.
you want to open this?
Charlotte got
sit
you.
down.
It's almost as big as you, Jason. No, not quite.
Okay. Are you sure you're going to be able to open that thing? Uh-oh.
He stops to look at you.
Is it a boat?
No.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I know what that is.
Yeah.
You're not going to believe what that is, Jason. I think Charlotte talked to Santa.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Okay. Your daddy going to help you now.
Wait till you see what it is, Jason.
Okay, we're going to pull it out.
Okay.
And we're going to set it down. We're going to do it like this. Okay. Okay. You ready? You're going to help me lift off the lid? 1, 2, 3.
They're changed.
Oh my goodness! Do you see what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, wow!
Wow.
Look at that! That's no little tiny trains either. Those are big trains.
Yeah.
Wow, Jason.
Jason.
That's an electric one. That's one that moves.
Yeah. I need to put this together.
Yeah, we gotta put that together. We could put it to maybe run around the tree.
The Christmas tree.
Do you want to do that?
Oh, and another.
Where's the caboose? Okay, I hear you. In a minute.
Oh, the caboose.
Is that the caboose?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you say thanks, Charlotte?
Thanks, Char.
All right.